All right, so we're doing a little experiment here with DTF. Made this awesome image, and Chelly's warming up an iron. And we do have a Teflon sheet for my daughter's room, so we're gonna try it with a try it with both.
Well, we can try your Teflon sheet.
Well, maybe glue it on there first with the push it on there first with the Teflon, and then go back with the T-shirt and push it into those areas that you said. Just make sure, be conscious of the tape.
Where is it?
The tape is right here. Yeah. So just be conscious of that. Just use that to kind of start it, and then go back with that T-shirt. That'll kind of get.
So we need the pressure.
Mm-hmm. Why are you so far away?
Because I'm trying to put pressure.
Oh, okay.
What?
Yeah, I think it's gonna adhere pretty good.
I do too.
Personally. So getting that in there. Because it's not apparel, and then we'll go over it with the T-shirt. And, oh, sorry, I'll hold it, sorry. Go over it with the T-shirt, get it in there real good, and show you guys what it looks like. So Chelly kind of put the, yeah. She put the T-shirt around the iron. She's gonna press it in there. Heavy pressure.
You might need to put some good pressure.
Do you want me to do it? No, I think you're doing good. Yeah, as long as you probably count about 10 seconds each area, it should be good. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth. It's so cool, the detail. Now, again, this is printed on our printer, but look at the detail of the teeth and everything. Like, that's really good.
Hold it down, Michael. Hold it down.
Hold on.
Okay. Ooh, it's still hot.
It's still hot? I mean, you can peel it. It's hot peel.
This one in?
Yeah. But we're so old school, we peel cold, so. Let's see.
Nope.
Still more pressure?
No.
Where?
Okay.
Right
These
there?
two corners.
Those two corners, okay.
Yeah, it's
We'll
not
press it all
catching.
around.
So let's catch just
The
around
edges?
the edges. Let me see this side.
All right, Chelly figured it out.
You just gotta find a good corner to get it. Once it starts coming off the film, work your way down or up.
Chelly's really good.
Okay, so our tricky part is gonna be this hair.
Mm-hmm.
For thinner lines, think about that. Big, thick pieces, not so much.
Oh.
See these hairs? You wanna go, just keep going? Yeah, because there's no, oh, that's more just like ink.
Okay, well, whatever you're doing, keep going. You're almost done. Yeah, if we had a better week, we thought about using our actually our real mini press versus this iron, because it's the heat that's gonna activate the adhesive. But yeah, Chelly pretty much got it.
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Ta-da!
There you
Oh,
go.
that looks so cute.
That's so dope.
So we're gonna go over it again with the Teflon just to kind of seal it in there now that it's off the film.
Mm-hmm. Fix any imperfections. Go ahead.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Go ahead, what? All right, so let's go over it, seal it in.
Seal it in. Watch your hand.
Wait, I need to stretch it back down.
You need to.
Get this, all this out there.
Hold on, Chelly's gonna fix it.
Okay.
All right. Put that up there. Heavy pressure.
Hold your hair back.
Or you throw up in the toilet. All right. She's gonna say, "Oh my God."
I need to print her a Beyonce one.
Oh yeah. Okay, we'll do a Beyonce one. She loves
SZA.
Beyonce. SZA.
She likes everything.
Who's the one that we? Oh, that is SZA that we like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kendrick.
Kendrick.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hey, but if you guys want to do awesome wall decor with DTF, you can do it. It is possible. It takes a little while. It does take a little while. You got to be careful. I would only stay with solid images. Don't do anything with too much
Thin
lines, but this baby, what do you think? Tell me whatever you think we're good.
Get these corners.
Get these corners. Put a lot of pressure in there.
Yeah, I think it might be good.
These are the cool videos that we bring you here at Flash Custom Transfers. And watch everybody start doing this for wall decor. Chelly, okay. We going to McDonald's? Where are we going for lunch? I'm hungry.
Ask Michael.
I'm hungry.
Michael.
It looks so good on camera. Come look at it on camera.
Where is it?
Look how bright.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That's funny. Okay.
All right, yep. So it does work. Get the detail. That's how our printer prints.
Do a view from back here so you can see like her other.
All right, so this is another piece of her wall. We're gonna keep adding to it. We got the little Michael Jackson. What's cool is we can go as big as we want, 22 inches wide and as long as we want. So if we wanted to do full posters like that, actually full posters would be kind of cool, but I think these, her having a bunch of images, I'll keep trying to create it in that style.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then just make cool, unique images. It's actually the only one out there. Created it last night. Created it in-house, Flash Custom Transfers, and now it's on the wall. So if you want to create something really cool, or if you want to print with us, just, you know, so order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. And we'd love to create an awesome design for you and print your DTF transfers. This feels, oh, it's still hot. Oh yeah, it took the texture of the wall.
Yeah, I knew it would.
You know what's crazy though? You can't see the texture of the wall in the image, right? But you can still feel it.
Yeah, that was what I was afraid of. I was like, is it gonna give him pimple face?
Nope.
Because of this?
Not at all.
But yeah.
Not at all. It's just smooth.
Looks good.
Looks good. The edges are good, and it's still warm. So once this cools all the way down, it'll fully adhere and we'll be set. I gotta stay tuned for the next video.
Cute.
Why are you looking at that?
Hey, close your eyes.
I'm scared. Don't tickle me.
Oh, we're not gonna tickle.
Why would we tickle you?
No,
Why is
no,
that
just
even an
don't
option?
We're not gonna.
Why is that even an option?
Whoa!
Wait for it. Hold on. Don't say nothing. Nobody.
I was gonna turn on the light.
Don't nobody say nothing. Sorry.
And I've been watching Michael Jackson all weekend.
I made that.
Why is he bedazzled?
I was
You
supposed
guys
to
agree
make a
on
shirt,
from
but
H-Time.
I made it. That's not why.
Oh.
I made it yesterday. I was supposed to wear it, but Chelly said let's put it on your
I
wall.
love
Because she
it.
wants you to decorate your whole wall with different images.
Cause I was like, you can get SZA, Beyonce,
Yeah.
you can print anything and put it on the wall.
But we'll make them cool.
I like this little area.
You like it?
Yeah. Hold on, let me put my bed. Oh yeah, it's huge though. But I might roll off.
You won't.
Like say